SLX solid medicine bottle packing lines. Bottles, as a kind of packing material, can be used to hold very diverse types of products, especially in the solid dose manufacturing market. Bottle packing lines make reality the automation and industrialization of products packing in bottles. Thanks to the acquired expertise in manufacturing bottle packing lines for medicine and for food products, Hengyi Pharmaceutical Equipment Corporation Limited can provide you a suitable and reliable solution. The bottle packing line is capable of packing different kinds of solid medicine, such as tablets, soft capsule, hard capsule, pellet, and other similar solid forms. This line is compounded by an automatic bottle unscrambling machine, bottle cleaning machine, counting and filling machine, weight checking machine, desiccant and paper inserting machine, cap screwing machine, aluminum foil sealing machine, and labeling machine. All machines are stainless steel made with an ergonomic structure and a special design to allow the easy cleaning and easy maintenance. Each machine, part of the complete line, can be supplied with inspection points to ensure quality control complying with GMP and FDA requirements. The high-speed unscrambling machine has several advantages: high speed, stable running, system to avoid blocking of bottle, special design that does not damage the bottle, high qualified unscrambling rate, and easy format changing. This machine has the peculiarity of being suitable for round bottles, square bottles, flat bottles, elliptical bottles, and other irregular bottles. The electronic counting machine is the most critical equipment at bottle packing line. It adopts sensitive technology of CCD, charge-coupled device, for detection of product. The judge distance is about 40 micrometers between two products. Based on high sensitivity and distinguishing rate, it can verify the overlap and fragment precisely to increase the counting accuracy. Thanks to this sensitivity, this machine is able to count transparent soft capsules, count two products drop at the same time, and detect broken products. The electronic counting machine counts with the efficient dust collection system that allows the counting of dusty products. This counting machine can be applied for counting various medicines, even with irregular shape. In case of changing the medicine, only by setting new parameters on the touch screen, the counting machine can be adjusted. The automatic check weighter is a machine specially designed for high-precision continuous weight checking to improve accuracy of measuring finished goods, normally located at a station of the counting machine. The Desiccant inserting machine is composed of desiccant feeding section, feed cutting section, and inserting section. It adopts the technology of special optic electronic positioning, step motor driving, and intelligent feeding lens controlling to automatically cut the desiccant bags and insert them into bottles correctly and quickly. Insert validating function is available. If any problem occurs, the desiccant inserting machine will sound the alarm and stop immediately. The paper inserting machine, PE film inserting machine, cotton inserting machine, or silica gel canister inserting machine is optional equipment that can be supplied according to each production need. The cap screwing machine is composed of cap lifting section, cap unscrambling section, cap screwing section, conveying section, and reject section. During the process, bottles are capped automatically after the cap is set. In the next step, the bottles are adjusted by cap pressing unit. Finally, will be conducted to the screwing unit, which consists of 3 pairs of screwing rollers. The design of the rollers ensures all caps will be well fastened. This cap screwing machine is suitable for different shapes of bottles and can be adjusted easily. The cap screwing machine has the characteristics of high screwing speed, reliable quality, automatic rejection of the bottles capped slanting or omitting capping or lacking aluminum foil. The aluminum foil sealing machine is designed with compound material and electromagnetic induction sealing technology. It has a high effective power output as well as specially designed induction board, totally sealed and with a precise cooling property. The unique design can assure a short sticking time, strong firming sealing, high speed, simple operation, and stable running. The sealing machine comes with a medium frequency power supply and reliable shielding measures to ensure no interference to other equipment. The sticker labeling machine has the three types: circle labeler, one-side labeler, and double-side labeler. It is the circle sticker labeling machine that is introduced in the video. This labeler has multiple optic electronic inspection points controlled by PLC, which ensures the quality of labeling and printing effectively. This sealing machine has advantages of compact structure, easy adjustment, intelligent label length control, and inspection points to assure labeling precise, stable, reliable, and efficient.